Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another cold day here in Canada, and in today's video, I want to talk about all my food cravings and all the signs and symptoms that I'm having, and see if I am going to be having a girl or a boy. So, guys, stay tuned for more. Good morning, guys, and welcome again to my channel. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome. We are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada, okay? So, guys, my vitamin is almost finished, but this is the one that I'm using right now. First Respond Prenatal. Pretty much like gummies, like that. So, guys, I'm like a little bit excited because it's coming this weekend. We're going to find out at the end of this week um, what baby we're having, the gender of our baby. So, super excited. And we're gonna have the reveal at our family Christmas dinner. Okay. So I went before to find out the gendering or they do the anatomy and everything, but baby wasn't cooperated because one, I drank too much water. So please, you don't need to drink like 4 glasses of water when you're going there, or 4 bottles. Like 1 or 2 bottles max is okay. Because I drank so much water when I went there. The lady said the baby's kind of like in a bubble, just floated. So every time she would press on my tummy, whatever, it would be moving around, right? So they weren't able to like do the assessment properly for the baby. So that's why I have a second one coming up. Okay, so I will find out what it is, but my husband doesn't want to know. He will wait for the reveal. He wants girl, and ever since I got pregnant, he's been saying, "How is the little girl doing?" And I'm just like, "What?" You don't know what it is. It's like, yeah, I know what it is. But he's only saying that because he has a son. So, because for those of you guys who don't know my family history, Jaden is for my husband, and Josiah and Michaela are my kids. So my husband is not their biological father. Okay, so we're like a blended family. So this will be me and my husband, or my husband and I, first baby together. Okay, so with that said, lots of people try to predict what kind of baby they're going to have depending on like the craving and stuff like that they're having, right? So okay, let's talk about some of the cravings that I'm having. And guys, please comment in the comment section what you think, if it's a girl or it's a boy, because for me, I'm having mixed feelings. So right now, my first craving was mango. Those big red mangoes? That was my first craving. And I'm still having that craving right throughout my pregnancy. Like, I eat so much mangoes, it's ridiculous. Like, almost every day or every other day, I eat a mango. Like, I can't go without it. Like, how I first find out that mango was my craving was like, I woke up and I was home and I was like, oh, I feel like eating a mango, so I'm gonna go to this store down the road that I know have mango. And I went down there. Usually they have these nice big red mangoes. No, they didn't have no mango that day. I said, oh my goodness, are you serious? So I said, okay, no problem. Fresco is close to me, so I'm just gonna go down to Fresco. I went to Fresco. No mangoes there either. this is how I know now that this is becoming a craving, because I'm thinking, okay, I have to find this mango. I don't care how far I have to drive for the mango today or where I have to go, but I cannot go back home without mango, okay? So I went to Walmart, and can I tell you, the mangoes there weren't the best, but I was so happy to see mangoes there, right? So I don't really eat it ripe or anything. It's just turn or green with salt. So I am having mango plus salty. I love salty, anything salty, salty food. So I'll eat the mango with salt. Also, I like, at first I thought I was having McDonald's fries craving. And then I realized it's not the fries, it's the salt on the fries. So every day that I leave here to go get the boys from school and pick up Michaela from daycare, I would stop at McDonald's and get myself a large fries and ting. But it's not the fries, it's the salt on the fries. So, you know, McDonald's fries very salty and nice, right? And then my number three craving is Jamaican plantain chip, the green one. So you know the green plantain chips, it's very salty. It gives me so much pleasure to eat that thing. It's not even funny. I just love it. Love the plantain chips. You know, it's like my kind of like night snack if I'm home. If I work, it's mango. If I work every night that I work, I cut up a bag of mango and bring it to work. What? Let me see. But if I'm so when I'm going to work, I take the mango. When I'm home, I eat the at night. I like the plantain chips, right? And what's my number four? My number four craving is cheese. I love cheese. I get so much pleasure too from the cheese. But you know something about cheese, I find that cheese is salty as well, right? But I've eaten so many grilled cheese sandwich. I've eaten so many slices of cheese. Like, just give me cheese. Give me cheese. Cheese. So yeah. So what's my fifth craving? Oh, my fifth craving, I think this is my final craving, is spicy. I love spicy food. Anything spicy. So when me or my husband is cooking, we would take out the kids' meat. Usually we do that, but for now, for my pregnancy, I have to put pepper. I have to put some kind of something spicy on my meat, or I won't be able to eat my meat. Like, I know that too much spicy is not good during the pregnancy, but I cannot digest my meal without without my meal being spicy. If it's not spicy or anything like that, I can't eat it. The moment I start eating it, I feel like I want to throw up and everything. And throwing up and stuff like that is not one of my pregnancy symptoms. Throw up. My three pregnancies, right? I don't throw up. The only time I ever really throw up is when I'm going to give birth and that pain hit me. I will vomit. That's the only one time for each kid that I remember. But away from that, like, since the whole journey right now for this one, no vomiting or anything like that. It's only when, like, I'm in labor and that, you know, that pain that hits you, because I didn't take any medication. Like, both of the two pregnancies before Josiah and Michaela, they were natural, right? So I didn't take any medication, no epidural or anything like that, right? So yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. The one thing I'm struggling with a lot is pregnancy forgetfulness, like pregnancy brain. Right now, I don't even know how I reached to this part of the conversation. How did I get to epidural? Where was I coming from, and where was I planning to go? I don't know. But anyways, my last and final craving is spicy food. So one spicy thing that I buy, that I eat, is the salsa. You know, the salsa dip. So I buy the hot one with the with the chips that goes with it. So that's like a during the day snack though when I'm here by myself. I love it. When I'm done, my mouth is on fire, and I love the feeling that I'm getting. Yes, spicy in my mouth. Love, love, love it. So those are my five top cravings, which is mango, the cheese, salty, which is like fries, the fries and the plantain chip. What was the fifth one again? Oh my god, guys, I'm not even joking when I said I'm so forgetful. Like yeah, I don't remember what my fifth one. This is crazy. Don't even remind me that I'm starting school January. I don't know what I'm going to the Pilgrim School to do. But I tell myself I'm going to push through because it's been a while that I've been wanting to go back to school. And it's like every time I decide to go back to school, something come up and I'm like, no. I don't care what the weather is, what is happening. I'm going to school. So this brain gonna have to come on board very soon, okay? So guys, I have two outfits here that I want to show you guys because Josiah wore them and Michaela wore them, and so not baby number three will wear them as well. So they're kind of like traditional outfits. So this was Josiah's first outfit that he wore. So cute, and it come with these two little socks, and it came with a hat. We had a nice matching blanket too, but as the years go by, we don't know where those are. So this is like very special to me and very like it makes me so emotional. And then this was Josiah's second outfit. Says dreaming of mommy. Yeah. So Michaela wore this one as well. So baby number three will wear it as well too. So yeah, super super cute. So it doesn't with these outfits it doesn't matter if it's girl or boy because the color is like unisex, right? So these are my two little passed down outfits, baby outfits. I wasn't even thinking that I would have another baby number three or anything. But because these were like two special outfits from Josiah was born, I kept it. Say, give it away or anything or throw it out or anything. Maybe we can save it as them keepsake or something like that. That's what I was thinking. But the keepsake is right here. So my sister gave me this really really nice book. The whole pregnancy journey thing. At first she's like, "I got you a pregnancy book," and I'm like, "Why?" This is my third try. Like I'm a pro. I don't need pregnancy book. And then when she dropped it off, I realized it's like one of these you know books that you keep track of every special moment with the baby. Like the first page is talking about finding out that you're pregnant and stuff like that, your first ultrasound and how you look um, at like 8 weeks pregnant at the beginning, your food that you're eating, like nutrition and stuff like that, and how you're feeling each month and stuff like that. It's really nice, really cute. Yeah, I love it. I really, really like this book. So I'm gonna have to start writing because Michael and Josiah have the books like these. So I'm gonna start writing in the book. Guys, I hope you finished doing all your Christmas shopping like I did. Now all that is left for me is wrapping, and can I tell you guys, I am no pro at this wrapping business and I easily get tired. I wrap a few. I make sure I wrap my husband gift because I definitely don't want him to see what I got him. It will be a surprise. guys. And I have lots of gift to wrap for my kids, my nieces, my nephews. Oh my goodness. So yeah, and I'm telling you, I get tired so easily, and all this wrapping is just not fun. But somebody has to be Santa Claus. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share if you can. Okay, and see you next time. Bye.